The Cobalance 2023 newest wine bottle chiller enables you to keep wine bottles refreshing for up to 24 hours at the target temperature indoors or outdoors. You can easily get red wines to their appropriate cellar temperature at 55 degrees Fahrenheit, or get white wines and champagnes close to fridge freezing cold at a 41 degrees Fahrenheit while keeping it all day and all night. It's easy and convenient to use. Simply turn it on by pressing the power button, and then you could adjust the temperature with the arrows, and there's also a Fahrenheit and Celsius button as well. Then place a suitable bottle less than 3.74 inches in diameter into the wine chiller like so. Then the device will begin to cool down. The LED will flash when the set temperature is reached. After that, it will be continuously illuminated. You no longer have to add ice into your wine glass. It's a high-quality metal with superior cold transfer. It's simple and elegant in design for any occasion, and it's a great gift for wine lovers as well, and it comes in this beautiful giftable box.